I welcome you back to this channel. Now this is going to serve as my base for this pattern, and it's an easy pattern. All you need to do is to watch this video to the end. So let's start. So right now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop right here with triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. Like I told you in one of my videos, I said your border, this is my border anyway. I say your border could be depending on what you want. In my previous video I made 4 triple crochet, but this one is going to be 3, as you can see right here. So it depends on your choice. So this is serving as my border. So right now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. So I skip 2, I insert in the third loop with triple crochet. Can you see? So I proceed, triple crochet, triple crochet, next, triple crochet, next, triple crochet, next, triple crochet, then next, triple crochet. So as you can see right here, I have 7 triple crochet across these 7 loops. So I chain 2, 1, 2, I skip 2 again, 1, 2, then I insert in the third loop, triple crochet, I proceed, till I get to the 7th loop. 4, 5, 6, and 7. You see? So I proceed, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, triple crochet, triple crochet, and you see? So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. So as you can see right here, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert in this second loop with double crochet this time. Next loop, double crochet. So right now I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert right in this first loop here with double crochet. Next, double crochet. Can you see? So right now I'm going to insert here. Can you see me? So with triple crochet this time, I move again, next triple crochet, next triple crochet. So I insert here in this loop with double crochet, next double crochet, sorry, so I proceed, I chain 2, 1, 2, I insert here with double crochet, next double crochet, so I move in like so, triple crochet, triple crochet, triple crochet. So I'm left with 2, I insert here with double crochet, then double crochet. So I proceed 1, 2 in this loop, double crochet, the first 2 loops on my right hand side is double crochet, while the next 3 loop after that is triple crochet, as you can see what I'm doing right now. 1, 2, 3. So the last 2 loops on my left hand side is going to be double crochet. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up. If you look at it, you discover that this the middle one, which I used triple crochet, shoots out and force the other 2 on my left hand side and on my right hand side inward. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. You see why this triple crochet, 3 triple crochet shoots the 2 here and the 2 here outward, so this one comes up, giving it a pattern. So I proceed, I chain 3 this time, 1, 2, 3. So across this 3rd row is going to be triple crochet, as you can see now, triple crochet across all the loops on this row. You see 1, 2, triple crochet, next triple crochet, next triple crochet, next triple crochet. So this is how I'm going to grow till I complete this row. Triple crochet all through with an interval of 2 chains, 1 2. Then I move again with triple crochet. So here is my 4th row. I've already made my border, so I proceed 1 2. So I insert in this first loop with the double crochet. Remember, it's double crochet here also. The next loop, double crochet. Now in the next 3 loops, triple crochet. Can you see? That's 1. I insert like so. Triple crochet. 2. I insert. Triple crochet. Can you see? So I'm left with 2 with double crochet. Can you see? So I proceed 1 2. I insert the first 2 on my right hand side, double crochet. Can you see? Now the next 3 loop after this is triple. Then the last 2 loop, double crochet. Can you see? So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round up this tutorial. So as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So on this end, the next row right now is going to be triple crochet all through. 1 2 3. So I insert triple crochet, next triple crochet, so I chain 2 1 2. So I insert, you see, triple crochet. Till I complete this tutorial. Now here comes the end of this tutorial. Can you see this pattern? So nice and beautiful. Can you see? If you like this video, kindly click on the liking button to appreciate this work. I want to appreciate all of you again for being there for me. Thank you so much. And if you are here to subscribe, especially those watching my video for the very first time, I welcome you to this channel. Here's a channel where you can learn a lot. All you need to do is to click on the subscribe button below, and you hit on the notification bell as well, so that you can have access to my video. Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much. So till I come your way again, bye for now.